Hey folks, okay, the Alocasia's arrived and the box is much smaller than I expected it to be. There are 4 Alocasias in this tiny little box. It's something like 4 by 4 by 1 foot. Okay, we're gonna pause y'all and I'm gonna get the box open and we'll see what's inside. Okay, this is, I just opened the box and this is what I find. I'm not very happy with this packing job. Not really happy with it at all. There is a bunch of loose soil here. And something is actually stuck. Okay, there's 3. Okay, the way they have these things constricted with ties around the stems of the leaves, the petioles, that's just atrocious. Absolutely atrocious. I don't think I'm going to be ordering from this place again. I had some other Alocasias in mind, but I might wait for them to show up elsewhere. Okay, let's get this wrapping off, and we'll be right back. Okay, here are the first 2. This is the Alocasia Jacqueline. And yeah, incredibly tiny, not too good looking. This is the Hilo. Now, there you go. I'll have to say that these are plugs. They took a plug and then they packed it into here and packed around it with potting soil. Okay, we'll continue. And not only that, but when you untie these, you can't help but damage the petioles that are inside this tie. They tied this around here. So now when I go to untie this, I have to whack around all of these petioles and stuff. This is just such a hack job. It's pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. Okay, these are the 4 Alocasias. This is the Regulina, also known as the Black Velvet. This is the Alocasia Jacqueline. I think it's a Tenderusa or something like that, but everybody knows it as the Jacqueline. This is the Hilo. Oh, unbelievably bad. These are all sopping wet in mud. And this is the supposedly the Frydek, I guess. Now, these cost me somewhere on the order of just shy of 20 bucks each. The Alocasias from Josh's Frogs cost me about $13 each, and they're far, far nicer in size. The Bambino, even, the Bambino is a smaller variety to begin with. But these, the packing job here, this was shipped by a bunch of amateur hacks. And I'm not going to be ordering from them again. That's for sure. For the price, very small, very bad packing. I'll be lucky if this Hilo makes it. But the other should be okay. The Jacqueline shows some watering damage. Yeah, okay, we're going to get these in pots. And I'll post the second part. I'm going to do this in 2 parts. Right now I just want to get these potted up into, I prepared a whole bunch of fresh potting media with extra charcoal added, biochar, to reinvigorate the mix a little bit. And I'll post the second half with the regular stuff as well. This is just the prelude, so to speak, and then I'll just do a regular video. But very disappointed with this supplier. Worst of the bunch this year so far. Okay, folks, I don't even want to think about what bugs and stuff might be on here, but they're going to be treated right away. Mites I don't have to worry about. I treat the whole house for that. But we'll get bonite and everything else. Okay, folks. Yeah, very disappointed. Okay. Have fun. I know I will.